Will you just briefly tell me what did we do in the last class? What did we study about the parts of CNS and PNS? What is CNS? And CNS is divided.
But Miss, your voice is lagging.
My voice is lagging. It will be okay.
Yeah.
I'm saying, what did I teach you for nervous system? It is divided into
Yeah.
CNS.
Yeah, it's the CNS is the spinal cord and the brain, and the PNS is the motor and the sensory.
Okay. So how about brain? I taught you about brain already. The brain is divided into three parts. What are the three major parts of brain? Yes, girls, what are the three major parts of brain?
Yeah, the brain stem
Okay.
and the cerebrum.
Huh? Brain, you have cerebrum and we have cerebellum. Very good. So, and I even told you what happened in the big part is cerebrum. Okay, the cerebellum is where the activities which you can move, it depends upon. And finally, we have the brain stem that controls the blood pressure and the hypertension, the diabetes, and many other things. And then they said how it is connected further, how this spinal cord inserted into the backbone, that is the vertebra. Okay. Now today you're going to learn that how do signals move through the nervous system. If you notice that your shoe is untied, your brain interrupts this information and sends an impulse down the spinal cord. Untied means the nerves are open. They go and send an impulse down the spinal cord. Your nervous system works by receiving information. Please read it till neuron here, Vateen.
Okay. A neuron is made up of large region
From
called
here
the
till neuron. Your nervous system works by.
Okay, your nervous system work by receiving information from the environment and translating that information into electrical signals. Those electrical signals are sent from the brain to the rest of the body by special cell called neuron.
Okay, neuron. My nervous
Neuron.
works by receiving information from the environment. Okay, like example, the cold, the hot, whatever from the environment. And then through the electrical signals, that information is converted. Those electric signals are sent to the brain, and from then brain, it goes to the rest of the body by some special cells called as neuron. What is exactly a neuron? It is a cell that moves messages. It acts like again, you remember I used to draw some car always
Yeah.
when we were in grade last year. So that's what I'll show you here once again. 1 minute. It's nothing but this neuron. If I say that it's a car, okay, it's a car. So what's the function of car? It's nothing but taking something with it, right? It's these neurons are carrying messages. What is it in this car? You have the car, the name of the car is neuron. It takes messages. And in the form of fast moving electrical energy. Fast moving, girls, very, very fast. You know how much moment it takes for you to put your hand onto the iron and take it out, or onto the hot surface? Maybe less than a second. So that move messages in the form fast, and these electrical energy or these electrical messages are nothing but they call impulses. The impulses are carried out. Okay. Signals move through the central and peripheral nervous system with the help of glial cells. This signals, what I'm saying, impulses are all, they move through the central and peripheral nervous system with the help of glial cells. Glial cells do not transmit nerve impulses, but they protect and support neurons. They support neurons. Without these cells, neurons would not work properly. Your brain has 100 billion neuron girls. Now, I will show you on the Google how to draw a neuron. I think it was on your homework on Thursday to draw a neuron. You can take a picture here, not Newton, neuron. Okay, see. If you
Miss, it's with a neuron or neuron?
neuron, N-E-U-R-O-N.
Oh.
Okay. See, this is how you can draw straight, because or you can choose any diagram, but this one. This one is easy for you all and very, you can understand. These are the cell body with the
Yeah.
inside. The branches are called the dendrite. We have done this last year. Malak and Wateen and Leem, you remember? We drew this last year. And this is the meninges, and this is whole thing is called as axon. From here to here. From here to here, this is called as axon.
Miss, it looks like nerve cell.
Yes, this is a nerve cell. This is a nerve cell. Neuron contains nerve cell inside.
Yeah, Miss, but in the first lesson, there's like a picture, but it's not look like this.
Okay. Even here, they did not give you the clear picture. Draw this picture because this is nothing but the structure.
Miss, let me see. Yeah.
This is the structure of neuron. Did you understand?
Yeah.
You can search by your own nowadays and they can do it. I'm sorry. So through sensory and motor neurons. Neuron, what do? They carry, at least now everyone must know. What is the function of neuron? You must remember the car I made, and I'm carrying some messages with me through which is in the form of electrical signals. Will you remember this? Remember this for your whole life, that they carry information from the body to brain and carry instruction from brain back to the rest of the body. The two groups of neurons are sensory neurons and motor neurons. Sensory neurons gather information from in and around your body, then they move this information to the brain. Motor neurons, okay, sensory are the one who are going to the brain. The car coming out from the brain and going to the parts of the body is motor neurons. They improve impulses. Sensory neurons gather information from in and around your body. Okay, motor neurons move impulses from the brain and spinal cord to the other parts of the body. Example, when you are hot, motor neurons move messages from your brain to your sweat glands and to tell the sweat glands to make sweat out. Sweating cools your body. You know very well, girls. The sweat, what you comes from your body, and when the air blows, you feel little better on the sweat. Yes, it cools your body. And
Yeah.
on the other hand, in winter, you shiver. Why do you shiver? When you move from, like imagine, girls, you are running. When will you feel hot? If you're standing on a place or when you're running? When will you feel hot? When you are standing on a place or if you run?
If I run.
If you move. So when automatically my body starts shivering. What does that mean? That means that my body wants to warm up. My body wants to warm up.
Warm up.
Did you get this? What I'm trying to say here?
Yeah, Miss.
A spinal cord, nerve bundle, okay, and this is directed to neuron. And you know that, these two pages you have together attached in your book. Here it is like two different pages. This is the cell body, girls. This is the nucleus. These are the axon, which are connected to the muscle fibers. This is the last one is called as axon terminal. These branches are dendrites. Again, we have cell body. Here, I'll again draw it. Once again, I'll write down. After cell body, what I have dendrites. These are branches. Okay, you have axon. What is the end of the axon? Axon terminal. What is the end of axon? Axon terminal. Cell bodies containing nucleus and organelles. Dendrites is branches of cell body which gather information. Axons send impulses away from cell body. End of axon change electrical signals to chemical signals. Did you get it?
Yeah.
A neuron is made up of large region called the cell body, a long extension called the axon, and short branches called dendrites. At the end, it is called the axon terminal. Again, it contains a cell body, a long extension axon, a short branches called as dendrite. Try to highlight it. Like other cells, a neuron cell body has a nucleus and organelles. It has a nucleus and organelles. But neurons have other structures that allow them to communicate with other cells. A dendrite is usually a short branch extension of the cell body. Okay, it's an extension where you find branches. They have one or two more many dendrites. A neuron with many dendrites can receive impulses. Now, impulses that are carried away from cell, those are nothing but axon. At the end of the axon terminal we have, which is changed from electrical signal to chemical signal. This is a clear structure and the function of neuron they have given in this area. Now we have the main five senses. The main five senses I can explain with when you are watching the video, because with the photos you will understand more better. There is some issue with the internet. Let me again try once more.